This 5-minute solution will show you how to record Roblox with OBS. So the first thing we have to do is download and install OBS Studio on your computer. Step 2. Open Roblox and launch OBS Studio. Step 3. To create a new scene. I'm going to give you name here. Roblox scene. Click on OK. Under Sources section, click the plus icon and select Display Capture. Level it from here. Click on OK. Make sure to check the Capture Cursor option from here. Click on Display and select the display size from here. Click on OK. You can also make changes to default settings from Settings option. To do that, click on Settings. Click on Output. Select Simple here. And from here you can change your video bitrate. And if you want to change the recording path, you can change it from here. And you can also change the recording format. I suggest to select your MP4 and click on video. Now you can select video output resolution. Click on apply. OK. And finally click on start recording button to start recording your Roblox. And if you want to stop your recording, click on stop recording. Click on file, show recordings, and here you'll get the recorded file. Even tap it is complicated to use. OBS Studio is still one of the best recorders for Roblox. So this is how we can record Roblox with OBS. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.